In this video, we are going to fix the Windows 11 update error 0x80d05011. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to run the file system checker. So by that, here at the search box, please type for CMD. Once you've typed it, please wait until you'll be able to see a command prompt system, and you need to navigate to the right side and click on the Run as Administrator corresponding to it. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. Now I want you to copy the commands that I have given at the YouTube description. First is to do SFC scan. So make a right click here to paste it and let this procedure be done. Okay, this might take some time, but please be patient. And once you have done it, please paste the next one, which is to restore the health of your computer. Okay, paste it here. And once you everything has been finished, okay, you need to close this window and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, try to run the Windows update again and check if it's working. However, if the error still persists, then we need to navigate here at Day Start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. At the settings, we need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. So by that, wait until you be able to open the settings window successfully. Okay. And once you are being navigated in this one, please navigate to the left pane and locate for system. Click on here. And after that, you need to locate for troubleshoot. Scroll down on the list to find it. Click on here. Next is to go with other troubleshooters and then run the Windows update. Okay, run the troubleshooter for Windows update. Wait until this procedure would be done. Okay, and once you have finished the process, you need to check if it's working. So update your PC again and check if it's working. Okay. Now, if you think this video has helped you a lot, then please like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you would be notified for more tutorials like this. Thank you and have a good day.